So, hello! Happy Saturday! We're going to try their convenience store hack. We have iced black Americano coffee, strawberry milk,
the yummy buns from the Raymond,
the yummy
and
pancake bun.
the Raymond drink.
Oh, chocolate drink. And a glass of ice. So,
Oh. Matunog ah. What do you think it's that? Oh, sobra ice. Let's see.
smells good.
Mmm.
Whoa, there you go. Koreans, napansin namin, they love coffee very much. And this is one of the things that we want to try because they have it convenient in the convenience stores. You like the pancakes?
What does it taste like?
Ah, ang galing. So, it's milky. Nung una naisip ko baka hindi masarap yung strawberry milk, pero it adds
He wants
a
to
different kind of
taste it.
flavor to the coffee. Paka paka! Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!